So everybody, last time I left you with that we could access the RStudio through here to terminal, or we could access through our Open On Demand terminal. Okay. Now, if we want to install packages, you have to do it through here on our terminal. Okay. So first, we're gonna module load R, right? We're gonna call R as well. You're here now. You're in R, right? And we're gonna use the command install dot packages parentheses apostrophe and then the name of the packages. In this case, we want the package parallel. I'm gonna close that up. Okay. And you can install any package you want. Now, once you click enter, you will get a warning that says um, it's not writable. Why? Because you're trying to install to everybody in the system. You don't have those permissions. So what we're going to do is create a personal library. You go ahead and click yes on there. It's going to ask you to select a crayon mirror. Now, any will do, but we recommend selecting one in the USA. Okay, so we're going to scroll down to USA. In this case, let's just pick Ohio, right? Once that's done, it would say, in this case, the package parallel is a base package and should not be updated, right? Because parallel comes with every R installation, okay, or at least with ours, right? So in that case, you'll be able to install any additional packages you want that you need for your projects, and this is the way to do it, no matter the package. Okay, now see you on the next one.